तुमचं त्यांना तुमचं इमिजिएट डिमांड आसलो की हिल जे कटिंग जाता पळय ते स्टॉप करचे म्हणून, बट ते अजूनही काही येले ना तेजेर.
अजून काय येईल ना. I spoke to the chief minister specifically on this point. This is something that we can do immediately. If there are kind of there are no rules. So stop it. But so far they have not done. But within the next 15 days we'll move the court on this part. Lawyers from Bombay have volunteered. Top senior counsel. They will argue the matter and they will argue it free of charge. There are voices now. People are hearing. People can achieve. Honest officers, they are punished. आम्ही फुडें आसतले तांकां झगडपाक. हे झगडीन somebody is arrested. I have been promised by advocates that they are going to support, they are going to organize, and they are going to help people. I don't want our youngsters red mark on their future by going to jail. Ours will be a peaceful protest.